Today we're taking a look at the Tesla stock, ticker symbol Tesla, in anticipation of the upcoming Thursday, August 31, 2023 trading day. Welcome back to Capital Consultant. Let's dive right into it. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe and to click the bell icon to get notified as soon as these videos are released so that you have more time to plan out your trades as we provide these stock analysis videos on a daily basis after market close. I can guarantee that you'll have all the important information that you'll need on this stock heading into the upcoming trading day after fully watching this video. One more thing before we start: if you would like access to our daily watch lists, stock picks, option picks, and more, then check out our Patreon in the link down below. Now let's get started. I'll start off by analyzing the stock in a general way real quick, and then we'll go deeper into it, focusing on the stock's action for the upcoming trading day afterwards. The Tesla stock opened at $254.20 and closed at $256.90 on Wednesday, August 30, 2023. The stock price decreased by 0.11% from $257.18 to $256.90. A total of 121.2 million shares were traded for around $31.14 billion. The lowest price it reached on the last trading day was $250.59, while the highest price it reached the last trading day was $260.51. The 52-week high on this stock is $313.80, while the 52-week low is $101.81. There were 11 million fewer shares that were exchanged compared to the previous trading day as the stock price decreased, which is a good sign. This stock is considered very steady with a very small chance of distress. You should also know that this stock almost mirrors the market. In recent updates, Tesla's Project 42 is currently the subject of a federal investigation. This project, initially designed for creating a building with glass walls, allegedly made use of company funds, leading to an official inquiry. The outcome of this investigation could potentially influence Tesla's stock performance in the near term. Additionally, CEO Elon Musk was among the prominent executives scheduled to participate in an AI forum in Washington, D.C., organized by the Senate Majority Leader. This emphasizes the significant role that Tesla and Musk hold within the AI sector, indicating possible prospects for the company. The Tesla stock currently displays buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a favorable outlook for the stock. However, there is a general sell signal due to the positional relationship between these two signals, wherein the long-term average sits above the short-term average. A breakup past the long-term average issues a buy signal, while a decline below the short-term average issues a sell signal. This stock has a strong bullish 3-day candlestick pattern. There are no major emerging candlestick patterns on the chart as of the making of this video. Given the current overall short-term trend, an increase in the stock price is to be expected. The last daily candle as of the last trading day is red, which means that the bears, or in other words the sellers, dominated this session. It was an overall bearish session, with a volume of 121.2 million, which is 8% less compared to the average volume that Tesla normally has, which is 130.9 million. The stock is trading in the lower range of yearly prices. Tesla is trading above its 5, 10, 20, 50, 100, and 200-day exponential moving averages and simple moving averages. This is a good sign for the stock's trend. Now moving on to the daily technical side of things, this is what we can conclude. The average true range indicator is showing high volatility. The average directional index indicator is neutral. The Williams percent range indicator is showing overbought. While the commodity channel index, rate of change, ultimate oscillator, stochastic, and relative strength index indicators are all positive. In total, we have more technical indicators pointing at a positive signal at this current time, which indicate a buy on the stock, but these technical indicators by themselves aren't going to do much. So let's get into analyzing and predicting the Tesla price movement for the upcoming trading day, Thursday, August 31, 2023. Do note, that if the price of this stock is trading below $256, then the possibility of downside is higher, and likewise, if the price of this stock is trading above $256, then the possibility of upside is higher. Currently, as of the last trading day's close, this stock's pivot point is at the $256 level. It has support at the $251.49, $246.08, and $241.57 levels, and has resistance at the $261.41, $265.92, and $271.33 levels. So I will now lay out a few Tesla trades for the upcoming trading day, 2 bullish trades and 2 bearish trades. Feel free to also make other similar trades based on the information I've shared with you in this video so far, if you're feeling a little extra bullish or bearish on this stock. And always remember that when a support is broken, then it becomes resistance. Likewise, when a resistance is broken, then it becomes support. The bullish trade is as follows. If we open and at least 30 minutes after the bell, the stock is still respecting the $251.49 level as support, then in that scenario you might be looking at adding or opening a long trade position as close as possible to that support level of $251.49, while keeping in mind that this would be a short-term trade. Now bulls, if you're looking to trade Tesla, then you're obviously looking to take profit during the day, and so my recommendation for taking profit on this first bullish trade would be starting to do so somewhere near the resistance level of $261.41. So our second bullish trade is the following. If the $261.41 resistance level is broken, at least 30 minutes after the bell, and held for a respectable amount of time, having it turn into a support level, which results in a short-term bullish outlook on the stock, then in that scenario you might be looking at taking a long trade position as close to that new $261.41 support level as possible. My recommendation for taking profit on this second bullish trade would be starting to do so at somewhere around the next resistance level of $265.92. I suggest closing your position in small percentage increments as the stock moves on these trades, as opposed to closing it entirely at one go. I personally go for 25% increments. Our bearish trade is as follows. If we open and at least 30 minutes after the bell, the stock is still respecting the $261.41 level as resistance, then in that scenario you might be looking at adding or opening a short trade position as close to that resistance level of $261.41 as possible, while keeping in mind that this would be a short-term trade. Now bears, if you're looking to trade Tesla, then you're obviously going to be looking to take profit during the day, and so my recommendation for taking profit on this first bearish trade would be starting to do so somewhere around the $251.49 support level. So our second bearish trade is the following. If the $251.49 support level is broken, at least 30 minutes after the bell, and held for a respectable amount of time, having it turn into a resistance level, which results in a short-term bearish outlook on the stock, then in that scenario you might be looking at taking a short trade position as close to that new $251.49 resistance level as possible. My recommendation for taking profit on this second bearish trade would be starting to do so at somewhere around the next support level of $246.08. I'd also suggest closing your position in small percentage increments on these trades as the stock moves, as opposed to closing it all entirely at one go. I want to emphasize the importance of taking profits near the target levels provided for all these trades, as it is crucial for ensuring profitability. These trades are short-term with a high probability of profit, and when executed correctly, they can accumulate significant gains. Remember to implement this strategy effectively to maximize your results. Whether you choose to adopt a bullish, bearish, or even a combination of both approaches for this stock, I wish you the best of luck with your trades. We value your feedback and encourage you to share your thoughts on this analysis. Feel free to leave a comment below and let us know your perspective. That's all for now, so if you have any other stocks you'd like analyzed, then leave a comment down below with the stocks you'd like analyzed, subscribe to our channel, leave a like on this video, and we'll get to it as soon as we possibly can.